So this is the amount of clothings I have purchased, and I'm thinking about recycling them. I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm gonna use it more 4 or 5 years until I get too much worn out and till now. But I'm not gonna I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm gonna reuse it, and doesn't matter what what will be the quality of these products that I will gonna recycle, and the things that I'm gonna make and the things that I can actually create. I'm thinking about creating a trend. This is a trend like we have this amount of we have a lot of textiles that we have already purchased. We cannot recycle 100% of them, but we can do something like we can upgrade or we can customize this kind of clothing. Like we can use the winter cloths with the summer cloths, which can be mixed together, which can support, which can shelter us from a mixed weather or something like that. It's just a concept, and still it's in the initial stage. And one interesting thing is I've made something. So this is a like shoe or something like that I have built with this waste fabric, and it can be wearable. It's still not in a margin that can be stolen. It's still not in the stage of selling or in the mass production. It's just a concept still. And I have built these bags, these useful bags which can be used in cycles. Like I have tons of things to be stored. So this is a bag. It's a long space there, and two adjustable. Those are truly useful bags that I have made with this with just one pair of pants, just a single pair of pants. It was like none of my use. It was raw. It was broken apart, and it's actually ripped at some portions. So I've turned those ripped jeans into this kind of fabrics, into this kind of reused clothing materials or reused reduced textiles or apparels. Can we say it as apparel? And this is another big bag which has like it's a what I can say, it's a pocket. What can I say? It's a baggy jeans or something like that. So those are the things I have made them like this. There's 2 components. There's 1, 2, and there is another, like 4 components. It's a very handy bag, and you can see the marks there because it's recycled. And this is it. And many of these kind of apparels are thinking about redesigning, reinventing, and thinking about scalability. Yes, it's in the initial stage, but something will gonna happen within 1 or 2 years. Like I'm making a design so that I can break those. I can sort it out. Like the cottons will gonna go one side, and the synthetics will gonna go another side. And I'll gonna synthesize and chemically synthesize those synthetic fabrics, those synthetics, and the cottons will be recycled in a different way, like breaking apart and shredding machine. I'm gonna go through the shredding machine and break those fibers and extract the materials, the cellulose from this. Let's see what happens, and I'm gonna come to the global context. All the country is focusing on reusing those textiles or recycling them, but we are still lagging behind. We are not thinking about that scale because Bangladesh is only focusing on just production and producing over and over again. It's happening overproduction now, I can say, because of fast fashion. We all know that. But let's think about recycling them. If we can able to recycle them, like not a huge quantity, but let's start. It's in the initial stage. By 2030, 2035, maybe we can recycle. It's right now, it's just 1% of textile has been recycled from post-consumer, probably post-consumer or any kind of textiles. Those are actually end up in the landfills, but we can actually. And the main thing is we have enormous amount of human resource, so we can focus on both production and both recycling. Like I have a concept called TWM footprints, like textile waste management footprints. So why we cannot think about this? Like, if we can produce this amount of textile, why we cannot recycle this amount of textiles? Like, we're gonna talk to the countries, like those who have a lot of textiles to be produced, who can donate to us or give us money to recycle them, because we are thinking about eco-friendly. Like, we have 248 LEED certified factories in Bangladesh, and those are 128 maybe platinum and 101 maybe gold certified. So it's it's a huge amount of factories we have, but still we are lagging behind in recycling them. We have to build facilities we can recycle fabrics, recycle the textiles, and recycle the waste and save the world. So that's it. Let's go further.